Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about Acumatica P3M CMMS asset grid view. Under the grid view, we can see each asset ID with their description. We can see which site they belong to with their department. We can see each department here with their manufacturer and with each asset model number. And you can see their current status. Some of them are running, some of them are degraded, for example, and so on. We also have an option to add an image here, as you can see, as well. If you want to go into detail for a specific asset, we can always double click on it, or we also have an option to click on one asset and we can click on view, and that will take us to another tab, and we can view it from there as well. Lastly, we have option to search an asset. We can search, for example, asset called pump 004. When you click on it, we can search that specific asset. We can see same concept. We can see the asset ID with asset description, asset site. We can see the department, manufacturer, model number, and done status. As you can see, it's down at the moment. Thank you.